On most Isabella awnings we have extra storm eyelets on the panel, and these eyelets are here to give you extra security, especially on your permanent pitch. So we do this product called Isolink. There's 10 in a packet. They come with 10 D-rings and some elastics, and we simply push this D-ring into the eyelet here. You push the button the other side so it locks it in, and once they're on you can actually leave them in. Then we have the rubbers. You feed in from the back and you pull like so, and we have a guy rope that goes round. So the guy rope is then threaded through, and I'm going to put one here. I'm going to put one here. And what this actually achieves is when you got high winds, it helps support the awning, and you need the elastic there to take the strain away from the stitching. The one thing you mustn't do is don't put the guy rope straight through the eyelet, because that will act like a knife and just cut through, and that's why it's essential that you use a peg and rubber here to take the strain.